And what more special into this island is, I call it a Miami of Dubai. It's a white sand and it's a big, very wide place to enjoy with your family. You can swim, you can roam around, you can take a good video, good photos for Instagram, for TikTok. And the landscaping of this island is napakaganda niya. And yeah, I'm sure if you come to this place, you with your family, with your friends, 100% mag-enjoy kayo. And what more important is, this place is free for you. Finally, andito na tayo sa Dubai Island. So napakaganda ng lugar, really. It's very beautiful. And first thing first, pag pupunta ka dito sa Dubai Island, you have to consider the parking. You know, parking is free in this area. Yeah. Pagdating mo pa lang dito, may mga parking na dito mismo sa tabi ng beach. Yeah. Yan, napakaganda ng lugar. Ang ambience ng lugar talagang panalong-panalo. So maraming mga dito ngayon nagsiswimming sila with friends, with family. So yeah, we are going to explore the place and I'm sure mag-enjoy tayo. This is one of new tourist spot in Dubai. And what is special about this Dubai Island is this is reclamation area. Reclamation means yung tinatambakan nila yung dagat, they make it as island and they compacted the soil until it become solid, and it's able to hold the building na kung ano man yung story building na itatayo nila sa lugar. And yeah, it is a beautiful place to hang out with friends, with family. And yeah, we have to experience this. And yeah, we have given the chance to come to this place and we are lucky to be here. And mag-explore tayo, marami pang mga pwedeng punta sa lugar na to. And of course, after that, maliligo tayo. And for a while, let me show you the place. Of course naman guys, pagka dito ka sa lugar na to, hindi mawawala ang mga signature name na ganito. Yan, pwede kang magpapapicture for TikTok, pwede kang magpapicture for Instagram. Yan, of course, napakaganda nung disenyo niya. Talagang naka-background mo yung white beach sa likod. Yeah, napakaganda niya and perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and any other social media. Yan, it's Dubai Island Beach. Look at that. So yan guys, andito na tayo and ready to swim na. Napakaganda ng lugar, napakalawak, talagang panalong-panalong, mag-enjoy ka. I think I don't know how many kilometer this place, but you know, napakalawak niya and it's fully white sand. Alam mo, ang lugar na to, it's fully white sand. Parang nasa Miami Beach lang tayo eh. Napaka-wide area, ang daming mga ibang lahi din nandito naliligo. And boss, how are you? Vlogging it's okay, ra? Huh? Vlogging it's okay? No. It's okay, thank you. So yeah. Look. Oh, wait for me. Oh, look. Ah, look at that. Model, oh. Wow. Summer na summer. Yan, like ka muna yun.
Dubai Island.
Asan mo rin, oh, pagpat-picture, oh. Look the place. Very beautiful, yeah. Napakaganda guys, yan. TikTok and Instagram place. Itong lugar na to, Dubai Island. Look at my boy. Hello. So look at that guys, yan. Coffee with this environment is something magical. This is not bragging guys, ha. This is experience that you need to experience, because it's not all about bragging. It's all about experience that you have to experience in this world. Ang pagkakaiba lang kasi pinapakita natin sa inyo, but deeply, walang bragging dito. Just want you to know that you can have experience like other people. So, wala namang bayad eh. So, let's do it. Yan. You have something to say? Come here. Let's
I have to admit,
My father is a scammer.
Why?
He has good thermos, but inside it's just Nescafe with sugar.
Brother, what is this? We are trying to make our life famous one.
Guys, even my thermos inside is just Milo. Come on, guys. Come on.
Why I'm telling to the people that yani, no need to tell. You just destroy my plan, you know. I just want to show them that we have a beautiful life and like that. So you just tell them that I have 3-in-1 inside my thermos.
Guys, it's fine. People need to know the truth.
What?
People need to know the truth.
Tingnan natin ang reaction ni Ishan pag tatamaan siya ng dagat. Yun.
Alaman! Alaman yan!
Kailangan pagilain baro. Kandingan.
Hey, GoPro!
Hey.
Guys, you want to see swimming?
Show me how you swim. Show me.
Awa, papa.
It's very far, man.
Long time I didn't swim.
Look at that, guys. So it's very beautiful and yeah. It's a white sand. Napakaganda niya and look at that. Napakaganda ng panahon and we are enjoying to swim. Look at that and kagandahan sa beach na to, of course, there is always lifeguard right there watching everyone. And the second thing is this beach it's like slope from the shallow point until to the deep point, and this is the deep point and there is net. May nakaharang na net dyan, of course, to prevent like something like maybe shark or jellyfish or something that may harm people. So yeah, now who wins? Get free food. Ready, get set, go. you are cheater. You are walking, you are not swimming. You have to pay the food. So nag-i-enjoy tayo dito, yeah. Someone is cheating, you know. So yan, guys, we just finished our swimming and it was totally fun.
These people are so overreacting. It's not that cold.
It's too cold, man.
It's not that cold,
it was
guys.
totally fun, really. We are enjoying, yeah.
So greetings, I am your personal chauffeur, Ishan, and now I will show you what to do in this Dubai Island toilet. And by the way, this thermos, it's totally not total.
So this is what you have to do, guys. First, you have to clean your legs and come inside. Where
Take any.
There. Then shower after. Wow, very good. Look at that, very beautiful, guys. Woo!
You don't have to. You don't have to have. Guys, it doesn't have to be so embarrassing. You have the changing room with the
So
shower.
guys, look at that. You have a special shower when you come to Dubai Island. This is what you get. This is, I never seen this before. It's like a partition shower. At least you can have your shower, and this is like what we call privacy. You have privacy to be here. So yeah, napakaganda niya, and this is my guide.
Guys, the only problem is there's a hole right there.
It's okay, it's normal, but it's so beautiful. You have your own privacy, and now you can make shower like this. Oh my god, look at that.
It's the exact same shower I used a while ago.